email from Mrs. Taragula.
Perfect thanks. I was just telling Ratna. I'm a good controller about this experiment. We need to prepare for tomorrow experiment.
Yes, I'm not sure if we need to bring our breakfast or if they pop it in class. The syllabus was very clear about it. I checked with the lab assistant yesterday. They covered the basic equipment like test tubes and plugs, but we need to bring our hypothesis for the practice measurement will be good.
Said my friend, I remember last semester we had issue with the lab students because they weren't coming properly. I still already vacuumed mine in my bag.
Great. I've also reviewed the furniture. We'll need to use the thermometer to monitor the reaction temperature constantly. The portable series is showing exceeded 45 degrees Celsius.
Speaking of monitoring how audience to use condition for the complete audio data, we need someone we need having team.
I can handle the coding part. I've created a table in my notebook with all the parameters we need to track: temperature, color change, and reaction times.
And I help humidity equal to must be working amount of sugar and salt over all that water content. The experiment will work with the osmotic pressure in exotic sugar. Excited, right?
I dropped some extra spatula just in case. Last time, Becky dropped hers on the floor, and we will have to share one between 3 people.
Hey, the weight and experience will then within better to be prepared. Also, remember if you need to call the solution gradually or else on be missing the register.
According to my notes, we need to pour it gradually with continuity shape. If we pour it all at once, it needs 4 steps that we are going to explain.
I am bit concerned about the oil part. Are we supposed to add the oil before or after adding the mixture?
Let me check my notes. Here it is. We add the flour first, then stir continuously while adding the oil twice. The oil needs to be completely emulsified before they add the yeast suspension.
Oh, great, makes sense. Yes, word execution properly. It will be created. I remember Miss Carla with this point doing this guy
Exactly. And we need to still very gentle after adding to yes. If we still too figuratively, we make the next layers for an apex or a shot. If they practice my stirring technique at home with better. It's harder than it looks to maintain a conscious state with how sweating potatoes.
That the con, by the way, has again started on the Berlin plant. We hear about the role of sugar in the fermentation process in covering meat.
I have continuous though. The case is understanding that the sugar serves as the primary energy source for the yeast. The yeast metabolizes the sugar and produces carbon dioxide and ethanol that bioproducts.
and the power acts as a stabilizing agent. Then it helps maintain the stability of the solution to further the action period.
Yes, plus we saw help maintaining the intermediate, which is critical for optimal engine activity in various stores.
Marketing, mine is quite good. I also practice acting centering on center small amount of butter with whole onion. If striker can it close.
I'm a bit nervous about using the paper for the surface measurement. My hands tend to shake when I'm anxious.
You can use some basic part and study it if you want and help keep the paper ready when you are wearing up the liquid.
And don't forget that after we mix out the components, we need to check samples at 5-minute interval for the first half hour.
Yes, and as you sample next to device with and time set itself for
Ulang po nanti.
I have set an animated one for this interval. We'll need to use the research method sample for first try.
yes, and each sample needs to with a depth which we explain that for tracking reaction represents.
I've prepared some labels to test for the sample. Also, when we use the thermometer, make sure not to let it touch the side of the container. There can be false reading.
Good point. And here we power from an container to under. Use a glass and wood to gather the liquid and paper tracing.
This formula will be training us on all techniques as well as our results. So we need to be meticulous about following the proper lab procedure. Speaking of which, so we practice using the standard. Last time I tried to filter a solution. I made up with more liquid on the counter than in its caution paper.
We can find whether PK is too cold down and make sure the climate is properly constant of her solution container.
Good idea. We should also practice using the blender with fused water to get a feel for the different techniques.
And do not forget about secondary production. When need to wear gloves, when holding the chemical essential, when the salt and sugar. And press together, they form almost is good. Place system.
Absolutely. Lab safety comes first. Also, I'm bringing extra notebooks for recording or observation just in case someone forgets them.
I'm in precision. How prefer entering? Is this agreeing to be our best lab session yet? I'm looking forward to use up the spatula preparation sample for analysis.
I agree. And after we finish tomorrow, so we meet her again to come oral before reading up the lab report.
That's a great idea. We can bring our recordings and make sure our data is consistent before we start on the analysis question.
Perfect plan. I will give me laptops so we can input our data and gather the right together.
I'll research this same table for us. It has enough space to spread out our notes and data sheets.
Wonderful. I feel much more excited about tomorrow. But now, help me eat. Don't put everything. We do use to write. To review. We must stay dry fingers with engaging salt as the spatula for transfer. Mix deep in the baker and oil brush with well trained as the thermometer to monitor temperature with the standard homogeneous with the gold blender and take sample with the pipette.
And don't forget to record every step and observation. That's the most important part of our analysis.
This experiment combines flour, sugar, oil, salt, and yeast in perfectionistic temperature friction or what tempers in dough-making, but you will control laboratorium conditions.
Exactly. Science is all around us, even in our kitchens. That's what makes chemistry so interesting.
By the way, we are enrolled that way Miss Marabella said about her application for the right expert. So many down something special about this application.
Yes, she went as to the address who Virgil event direct of fermentation with reference to a less three journal articles.
That's right. I've already found the relevant papers in the Journal of Biochemistry. I'll share them with everyone later tonight.
Well, I think we'll be complete everything for tomorrow night. Shall we order some coffee before you head out?
Great idea. I call us some offering to help me review my notes on more time tonight.
Coffee sounds perfect. And thanks everyone for meeting up. I feel much more prepared now.